This educational video will teach you how to get into scam baiting safely. So some things you'll need are LiveVPN, a virtual machine, an ISO for an operating system, and a VoIP program. So what the virtual machine does is it creates a virtual computer on your computer. So once this loads up, see I have Windows XP here, and it will boot like a normal computer inside the computer. This is so that the scammers don't harm your actual computer if they try to syskey it or something like that, or delete System 32. Okay, here, this is my virtual machine. It's not a real computer, it's a computer running inside of your computer. Doesn't matter if they do anything to it, since it won't harm your computer. But there is one requirement for it, and that's that you have a powerful enough computer. So you can check this by typing into the search box, the Windows search box, which you can access by pressing Windows key and S. No, okay, that doesn't work anymore. Just click on it or open the Start menu and type in this PC. Then right click it, Properties. Here, this is my computer. This is my main computer. This is my secondary one. It has an i5-2400, 3.1 gigahertz, and 4 gigs of DDR3 RAM. So you want to have a good enough computer. 4 gigabytes of RAM, I'd say, is the minimum for any modern operating system, and a Core series Intel processor for Intel and AMD. Just make sure it's powerful enough. Obviously Ryzen can run this no problem. You'll first of all need to download the virtual machine, so to do this you go and open your browser. Doesn't matter which browser. I'm using Chrome. And just type in Oracle VirtualBox. I use VirtualBox since I've experience with it and it's free. So here you click on this and then you click download VirtualBox. Windows hosts. Then you download it. I already have it, so I'm not going to download it. You'll also need a VPN such as Cyberghost. So to download Cyberghost, you Google Cyberghost, and then first one, cyberghostvpn.com. You can also use OpenVPN. OpenVPN, it works well. And that's it for VPN. Make sure to have this running when they're trying to connect to your computer, so that they do not see your IP address. Another thing that's required is a VoIP service. I use Fire RTC. You can also use Hangouts or Vonage. Here's Fire RTC. And there you click sign in. Go to your phone. And then you type in your number that you want to call. You'll also need Windows ISOs for your virtual machine, where I get all my ISOs from this site. I'll link it below. Some of the ISOs are cracked, but most of them aren't, and they're just regular ISOs. And you shouldn't find any viruses on this site. It's pretty safe. You can do a virus scan if you want. So I'm going to look up Windows Vista. That's it. So Windows Vista all-in-one ISO, and then you can find all the OEM ones here too. You can go through all the pages. Here's some programs that are compatible with Vista, I guess. And then you'll just need to install them on your VirtualBox. I'll link a video to that. And then you also need a number. This is probably the easiest part to find a number. You just go to a website. I believe I already have it here. No, not herder. Okay, well, it's numbers.lewistech or lewistech.ch, and some of the latest numbers will be on here. Some of them won't be working, but most of them will. I'll link this below. Okay, this does not want to load, so I'll open this in Internet Explorer, I guess. Here, you can find a lot of numbers. There are 3 pages. And here is a number I found recently. You can call it. I won't have this in the description because I don't want to. I don't want it to get shut down. I want to be able to call it too. Here it is. 1-888-806-2092. And computer ID is 32701. It says your computer has been blocked. Error ID #268D3.